Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another breakfast tutorial. Let's get our pans nice and hot. And let's cover it with butter. The more the better. We're going to be using premium pork sausages today. The goal is to get them nice and golden brown, not let them burn. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs using one hand. If you're going to add cheese, I'd recommend using a grater, but a slicer works too. Be sure to whisk it well. Let's add it to a medium heat pan. You don't want the pan too hot, otherwise you'll overcook it too fast. Let's get the toast out of the toaster and get straight to assembly. We're going to add turkey today, and not 1, but 2 slices of salami. And there you have it. 1 delicious looking sandwich with sausages. Be sure to pour a nice tall glass of milk to go with that.